Hey guys, as you know, we have completed our present tense plus negative. Now it's time to test your grammar skill and see how much you have learned. Your mission solve these 6 tricky present tense MCQs without looking at your notes. After finishing, comment below how many MCQs did you get right. What is your score out of 6 and which MCQs confused you the most? Ready to prove your present tense master? Let's begin. Good luck. Our first MCQ is listen someone at the door. Which is the right answer? Right is knocking. The second MCQ is water dash 100 degree. Which is the right answer? You have 5 seconds. The right answer is boils. Third MCQ is my father dash coffee every morning. The right answer is drinks. Fourth MCQ is neither Ali nor Ahmed dash English well. The right answer is speaks. 5 MCQs is each of the student dash a notebook. The right answer is has. Question number 6 is someone dash my bag. The right answer is has stolen. I hope you enjoy this video. For more helpful English learning videos, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Don't forget to write your score in the comments and let me know how many MCQ you answered correctly. Keep learning, keep practicing and see you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.